Okay guys, so I'm gonna do like an Amazon review of like some items I bought. My first thing is this Kitsure dish drying rack. I was so excited to find this because the one I have to put like a dish rag, dish towel underneath it because, you know, the water drips. And then even though you have that underneath there, it still gets all over the counter and everything else. But this one actually has a drain built into it to where it drains out into the sink. So you don't have to put anything underneath it. It's also like anti-rust and everything like that. So it won't rust or anything like that. But I'm going to have to put this together real quick. Okay, so this is the dish rack put together. It's got the drain in the middle. Then it's got the little, I moved it over. And then it's got the little spigot for it to come out into the sink. So that's where it'll drain at. It's got the little cup hold things. It's got these for the plates. This for your, you know, forks and knives, utensils. This is for the knives. So that's what it looks like. It's really nice. It does extend like a lot further if you need more room. And I just love this because of this, where it can come out into the sink. Like, that's so nice. I don't have to worry about under here getting wet anymore. Okay guys, so I want to share this with you guys. I got this off of Amazon, this super cute bag. It's denim. It's got the little rips. It's so cute, and it's got like the straps where you can wear it like that, or the longer strap if you wanted to wear it as like a shoulder bag. Super cute. I got this like carry my Bible in, books, stuff like that that wouldn't normally like go in your purse. So I got this, and I was thinking about putting some of these little patches on it just to make it like cute and unique. Hold on, let me show you guys that. So I thought about putting some patches on here. You know what I'm gonna do, just like iron on some patches. I love that so much. So I got this acrylic tray from Amazon. It's got 3 shelves, and it's just such a good addition to my makeup table, and I'm able to set it over here. And all the stuff that like I use a lot, like for my hair and my face, moisturizers, oils, I'm able to just stick on here and then grab them, so I'm not having to dig through drawers. So that was a really good addition to my makeup table. And this is off of Amazon. It was only like 16 bucks. Okay guys, so I got this vanity mirror from Amazon. It's so nice. I had always wanted a vanity mirror, and I've been looking for a couple of years, and I found this one on Amazon. It's so nice because it sits like right on the table. I didn't have to knock no holes in the wall. I was able to just sit it on top of my makeup table. Hold on just a sec. See, you can kind of see right there. And it's just so nice. So yeah, it's got the lights on the end. It's got, look how nice that lighting is, y'all. Like, look at that. And then it's got like different modes. I like the bright one the best. And then it's got a button there that you can adjust how like bright it is and stuff. But yeah, this was like only $155, which is really good for a mirror like this. And yeah, it's awesome.